How to fix no service SIM card problem on Android. In order to solve the problem, first of all you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. After that, you have to turn on the flight mode on your mobile device. You have to tap on the flight mode, and this way the flight mode will be enabled in your mobile device. After you do that, again you have to turn off your flight mode, and after you turn off the flight mode, now you have to turn on the Wi-Fi connection on your mobile device. You can also turn on the mobile data in your mobile device. Now you have to go to the option of settings. After you go to the option of settings, you will see an interface like this. After that, you have to go to the option of connection. After you go to the option of connections, you will see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on mobile networks. After that, you should go to the option of network mode SIM 1. You can change it to 3G, 2G, 3G only or 2G only. However, I feel LTE 3G 2G is the best for me, so I tap on that. Again, go to the option of network mode SIM 2. Set it to LTE 3G 2G. After that, you also need to enable Bluetooth on your device. You need to enable the Bluetooth device by just tapping on the Bluetooth icon out there. After that, your Bluetooth will be enabled. However, again, you need to disable your Bluetooth as well. Now, again, go back and open the settings option and scroll down. After that, you have to close the settings, and you have to keep in mind that either you have to just reboot your phone or you have to restart your phone. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.